Welcome to the EWS Orion data portal, and in this video we'll learn how to create and set up new users as a tenant admin. To create new users, your login account will need to have been given the tenant admin role, and you should have been given the appropriate rights and training to create new users. Users can be one of the four types below: user, super user, calibrator, and tenant admin. The Orion data portal requires all users to be allocated to a single tenant. The user may then be allocated as many sites and clients as required. You will also need to ensure that there is at least one device allocated to the client and site tag that you choose for the new user. If you have all of these in place, you can go straight to creating a new user later in this video, but right now we'll start from the beginning. After opening the sidebar, select User Management and click the Client tab. From here you can create a new client and apply your tenant admin tag. Then click Save. Next, open the sidebar, go User Management and click Sites. Click Add a new site, add your site name, your tenant admin tag, apply an image if required, and click Save. Then head to a device and add our new client and site tags to a device. Add the client tag to the client field in the configuration page and then add the new site tag to the site field. Then click Update Device. You are now ready to create a user. Click User Management and start filling out the new user's details under the Add User tab. Ensure you enter a username, email, password, a default map style, the appropriate user role, the correct tenant, clients, and sites before clicking Update User to save the new user. If you need to edit an existing user, click on the required user on the list on the left-hand side and update any details on the right. Ensure to click on the Update User button to save any changes. Finally, you can log out and log back in as your new user. Check to ensure that the user can see all their required devices and have the correct user roles and permissions applied. I hope this video has been informative, and remember to check back the E.W.S YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products.